Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The 9th International Congress of Mary Help of Christians concluded, bringing together more than 1,300 participants from over 44 countries, including priests and lay people, has come to an end. It was an important moment of reflection which highlighted the universality of Marian devotion and the importance of Mary in the life of Salesian family. The diversity of the participants was one of the most important points of this Congress. The presence of educators, catechists and young people, all members of different groups of the Salesian family, was a strength. Father Gianni Rolandi has arrived in Lagos to make the extraordinary visitation to the Salesian Africa, Niger Province ANN. Father George Crisafulli, Superior of ANN Province, together with the Salesians, welcomed Father Rolandi on the evening of Sunday 1st September. The next day, during the traditional good night at the headquarters of the province, Father Rolandi expressed his gratitude for the warm welcome of the Salesians. He urged all the members of the ANN province to pray for him so that he can successfully carry out his special tasks. The second day of the International Theological Symposium began with the Eucharist presided over by Bishop David de la Torre, SSCC, Auxiliary Bishop of Quito in the Maria Auxiliatriz Parish of El Giron. Subsequently, conferences were held that addressed several topics, from brothers to enemies by Dr. Victoria de Carli, Call to Reconciliation by P. Damien Howard, S.J., Eucharist, Source and Summit of Fraternity by Father Pablo Blanco, and finally Eucharistic Devotions and Popular Piety by Dr. Rodrigo Guerra. The regional meeting of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Alagoas took place from 30th August to 1st September at the Don Bosco Youth Center in Matres de Camaragibe. The event was led by Salesians of Don Bosco and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, who animated moments of formation on various topics: Salesian youth spirituality, the profile of the young Salesian leader in the light of Don Bosco's dream at the age of 9, the synod of young people held in Valdoco, and the missionary dimension of Salesian youth ministry. Sports, religion, socializing, hospitality and lots of fun among the founding bases of the Salesian work that on 2nd September 2024, with as many as 450 young people invaded the streets of Bosco with happiness and colors. From 4 p.m. until late in the evening, the Salesians in Bosco, after the last few months of intense and full of appointments in the oratory, continued their incessant work. A long and engaging Monday which began in the historic center from St. Joseph Cathedral, where the 300 children registered for the second edition of the Oratory and Olympics, accompanied by 150 young entertainers, received t-shirts to participate in the Olympics and to color the route designed for the March of Peace. Dear viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.